Just had a trail runner come by me, and she said that they are doing a controlled burn about 5 to 6 miles up this way. They got that part of the trail closed off. That could be interesting. See if I can even get through. Now I'm gonna have to reroute somehow and see if there's a detour. All right, it is close enough. Got all these guys here doing their thing. But as I got up here, they just said they reopened for me to walk through here. But it's pretty gnarly looking. It's smoldering. It's dead. It looks warm. Took a line the way they do it. God, it's creepy. Ooh, comes the ash. I always bring a mask. Oh, I just hope I don't eat some part that's like unpassable because it's on fire still. Definitely got something burning strong up here. And I'll repeat, the Forest Service people actually are the ones who let me through here. So I'm not like, I was gonna walk the road. Dude said, no, we just opened it back up here. First hiker, go ahead. He said, go ahead, just look out for fallen trees. God, it's really smoky up here. It's not what I was expecting today. I think that might be the worst of it. It doesn't look as bad up here. I could have spoke too soon though. I do see some more smoke. I would have laughed if there was just a fire in the fire ring. That looks pretty gnarly up there. Hopefully I'm going sticking to this route. Yeah, giant tree just came down in front of me. Wish I had the camera on to see it. Just split in half. But I heard it start cracking. Looked up there. Giant tree. So keep your heads up. Definitely keep my head on swivel. Before I start the hike today, my wife drops me off the trailhead. She gives me this big hug. She's like, I feel like something bad is gonna happen. How would you say that? You know, and then I'm out here in this. Thanks, jinxer. This bad boy right here is gonna come down here in this minute. Look at that. He's deader than dead. And I say the only defense you really got against these things out here like this, if they're gonna come down, is one, right now you hear this wind start to come in, that's gonna push the trees. That's when it's dangerous. Then I'm looking for anything that's dead standing, that's got a fire near the bottom of it. And then if you start hearing that crackling, you go the opposite way. that bad boy right there. That thing's alive. Maybe. But you see how it's smoldering at the bottom? That fire gets through there a little bit, that thing's gonna come down. So we want to get past that as quick as possible. Keep it moving. We're gonna pick up the pace. This section of trail is a little warmer than the others. So I know why they do these. Obviously it's for the health of the forest, actually. The reason they do these. You know, because if we don't do them, a lightning strike's going to hit down here and then it becomes an uncontrolled burn, and that's when you turn into California and have your entire state on fire. So it's better to go through and burn on the other underbrush. It's healthy for the forest. Lets everything regrow, regenerate, refertilize, and then keeps it from getting out of control because they control it. I wonder how they figure out like which sections they're going to do, like what at what point do they go, all right, this part here needs to be burnt down.